SignalPeak is going crazy, guys. I've never seen a service get this popular so quick. I've been in here for about 4 months, 3 months to 4 months, and I've been making crazy gains, all right? But there is also a huge growth in numbers. There's now over 11,000. Let me show you what SignalPeak is, how you can get done for free days before you have to pay a single penny. All right, guys, you can see here over 11,000 subscribers. I got in at around the 3,000 mark. If you've been following this channel, you will see that I am telling the truth, and you can watch all the videos. Now, guys, what is this, okay? You're going to get access for free days if you decide to hit my link down below. I'll make a tiny bit of commission when you do pay your membership, and you will save yourself $100. Okay, so instead of the lifetime being $750, it's actually only going to be $650 for you. Okay, I'm going to save you that $100. You can get an affiliate link yourself, guys, and start making 30% commission too, which is absolutely insane. But here it is. Okay, so you get 3 days for free. You can pay a monthly fee or a lifetime fee. And what do you get? You get over 100 groups of crypto and over 45 of Forex, all into one service. You don't have to pay multiple memberships. Now, one of the ones that I've been using absolutely is slapping, guys, all right? And it is probably, I want to say, the most popular on there, but maybe it's just my favorite. But it's Binance Killers, all right? Binance Killers is probably the best crypto signals out there, and most of the time it's like $1,500 a month or lifetime, $1,500 a month to pay. This is unbelievable, guys. This is included in the package. And you can see here, this is how a signal is sent. And the reason Binance Killers is so good is because they send markups like this instead of just the signal, which is this. Okay, so they send the markup. They show you all the different strategy, what they're using, where they think it's going to go. You can see here, they think it's going to go up. All right, they send you the signals. So the token, YFI to USDT, they'll say it's long or short. They'll give you the entry. This is when you should get in. This, guys, I had someone ask me on YouTube the other day. This, when there's two prices, means that in between. So if you are anywhere in between these two, get involved. If you're outside, do not get. And if you're before, do not get involved. Only in between. Okay. They will tell you the targets. So these are the short-term targets first. Okay, this is what it's looking for. Midterm is looking for this, guys. Okay, and if you want to be more adventurous, you can do your own trading. Stop loss here. Always put a stop loss on so you don't lose all your money. So, guys, this is incredible. And if you look at some of the gains from this, all right, just go up to see 32% profit, 138% profit, 128% profit. That's why this is so popular. So if you want to get involved, guys, hit that like button, hit subscribe, and the bell to be notified. SignalPeak is incredible, and one day they will raise their prices again. So get that lifetime locked in, and I'll see you next time.